A Muslim group called Darul Rahmat Islamic Society has praised the Registrar of the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, Professor Oloyede, for being honest about the problems with this year's UTME results. The group's leader, Sheikh Musbaudin Olawale, said in a statement that even though there were errors in the exam's results, the way Professor Oloyede accepted responsibility was a sign of good leadership. "We are not happy about the glitches in the UTME," Olawale said, "but we respect Professor Oloyede for not blaming others. Instead, he explained what went wrong and promised to fix it." The group encouraged Nigerians to understand that mistakes were human errors and that JAMB is working hard to correct them. They also praised Professor Oloyede for listening to feedback from others and taking action quickly. Sheikh Olawale said this kind of honesty is rare among leaders and should be celebrated. He ended by reminding everyone that for Allah is forgiving, most merciful, the statement said. The group hoped Nigerians will support JAMB as it works to fix the problems and make the exam process better. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.